How to make a private Spotify playlist. So in order to do that, we need to click onto this plus icon right here and then click onto this playlist option. Now in here, you can just name your playlist. So for example, let's name this Five Souls and click onto this create option. Now as you can see, we can see this globe icon. This indicates that this playlist is available on public or everyone can see it. Now in order to make it private, you can click onto this three dots option. Then scroll down and click on this make private option and click on this make private. And as you can see, the globe icon has been replaced by the lock icon, which means that it's now private. You can click on this add to this playlist in order to start adding songs into your playlist right here. So let me just head over and just look for the playlist and some particular songs in order to add to this. So that's how you make a private Spotify playlist. Hope you helped.